Hi, I'm Joseph. Today I'd like to tell you how to create an account to access your ebook for your IELTS classes. The first thing you'll need to do is to click on the link that you will find below this video. When you click on the link, it will take you to the Cambridge Bookshelf website. First, they're asking you to log in, but as this is the first time that you have used this website, you will need to create an account. So below the sign in button, you will see it says don't have an account, sign up. So we click on the sign up here. Okay, so they're asking you to enter your details, so enter your first name and your last name. Then you need to enter your email address. I will be using my IH Manchester email address, but I strongly recommend that you use your personal email address so that you can continue to access the book when your course with IH Manchester has finished. So enter your email address in this box. And then it's asking us to create a password. You can see here that they have some rules for your password, so please make sure you follow the rules. You must contain at least 8 characters with lowercase, uppercase and a special character. You also need to make a password that you can remember so that you can continue to log into your book whenever you need to. So create your own password. Then we need to accept the terms and conditions and accept the privacy rules before we can continue. Then we just press sign up. That's it. It says thanks for signing up and it's asking us to check our emails to validate our account. So if you open your email, the same email you've just created your account with, refresh your emails. Sometimes takes a few minutes for the email to come through. There we are. So open the email and it will see it is asking you to validate your account. So all you need to do is to click on the big blue button. Click this one and it takes you to the sign in again, but this time it says your account has been verified. So we click on OK. We can now sign in to the Bookshelf website. So we enter the email address that we just created our account with. And then enter the password that you created before. Click on sign in and that should take you to the library for your Cambridge books. That's it, you now have your account. The next thing to do is to message the school and ask us for a code for you to download the book that you need. When the school sends you the code, you click up here where it says enter access code. Click here, insert the code that the school gave you into the space here and click on activate and that's it. The book will download to your library and you can access that anytime by signing in using the login details you created. So that's it. I hope you enjoy your classes with IH Manchester. If you have any problems or you need any help, don't forget to send us a message and we will help you. Thanks.